Ah, whoa! Oh! Just laid on this while it was sticking up. Dude, every time I think I'm gonna wear gloves, I'm gonna be clean. But I'm a fucking idiot, guys. What the fuck is that?
Death.
The fuck is that? Shit! Die in this fucking country ass fucked up shit flying in my mouth. The fuck, I can't see.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? So, car, whenever I did my oil change, it started kind of grinding whenever I start it. So I got a starter, and we're gonna replace the starter today and see if that's what's causing that grinding or that rat. I don't think it's a rattle. I think it's a grind. So I'm gonna get my dad out here. He's the real mechanic. Get in the shop. Also got the new gauge cluster. Not cluster, but the add W1 gauges I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna update the gauges. Put a catch can, an oil catch can on it. I'll probably do a separate video for the oil catch can and the gauges. But about to knock out this starter, so I'm gonna show you all the noise, getting it up, and then we're gonna fix it. All right, my dad's the cameraman. He's the camera guy.
I'm the camera guy.
Get up close. Yeah, get all up in there, nice and deep like.
Nice and deep like.
That's it, boy. Get in there nice and deep like.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Back up a little. Right there.
Man, I didn't like that noise.
It hurts.
Yeah, how do you think I feel? Alright, so yeah, we're gonna get the starter changed, guys, and hopefully the next time we start it, you won't hear any of that. Yeah, brand new.
Wow, you must have paid arm and leg and kidney.
Yeah, had to give my. It's really not that big.
Yeah, I know, but how much was it?
160 bucks.
That's not bad. It's brand new. It's not remanufactured, then,
Nope,
right?
but I knew. So we're gonna put this.
Let me grab my keys so I can grab a blanket for you.
I need to drive the cart over here. But anyways, yeah, we're about to get this put on there. I should get the new, well, the old one taken off first. So that's what I'm about to do, guys. Get the old one taken off, and then get the new one on. We'll test it out, and then on to the next problem. Bow! Get the battery unhooked. Now I'm about to get under there, get the old one off. Alright, 10 years later, after my dad's been fucking with me for 10 years about dirt in my eyes, I got it, guys.
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Is it being recorded?
Yeah.
This whole thing?
No, not the full, I mean, it's Oh. You wanna take a look at that?
Who?
Ew.
Why take a look at it? What do you mean? Oh, here it is. I wanted to see your, all we gotta do is take the thing and hook it to the starter. Let me get my jumper cables.
The starter's still good.
I know that,
you
but I
want-
want to see if it's gonna make noise.
Oh, if it's gonna initiate.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go check the flywheel. If that starter's just working good.
Well, it looks like it's eating at it a little bit. Dude, every time I think I'm gonna wear gloves, I'm gonna be clean, but I'm a fucking idiot, guys. I swear. Got dirt in my fucking eyes. Bugs flying in my mouth and shit. The fuck is that? Get me out of this country ass fucking. Alright, I'm about to get the new one put on there, guys. This is really hard to do, so I'm gonna do my best to have y'all seeing this while I'm doing it. Oh, whoa!
What happened?
I just laid on this while it was sticking up.
Oh, nice.
Right on my lower back.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, I gotta get it right in there, guys. I know it's hard for me. Hand me that flashlight, Dad. Right in. Man, dude, this is fucking hard. It's right in there, guys. 1 second. Alright, guys, we got it all done. The moment of truth, guys. Alright.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. Get all up in there nice and deep. Alright. Know where the keys are? Keys. Now get up in there nice and deep like.
Nice and deep, like.
In there deeper, Dan.
Come on now.
Fingers crossed.